All right, YouTube, today we are making some more food. We're back in the kitchen. But first, a little sesh. So I went and I grabbed this new rosin pen that I got. I was given this by a friend of mine. I don't know the flavor, but it's from Trilogy. Some amazing rosin that they make. It's tiny. Look how small this thing is. The taste is amazing though. It literally tastes like you're taking a dab. I'm gonna be smoking this, making some food, and then we'll throw some stream highlights and stuff. Chill vlog, man. Really diving into the cooking stuff. I have so much fun doing it. I get to make food for my wife. It's a blessing. Get to do it stoned. Let's rock. In the recipe today, potatoes, carrots, panko breadcrumbs, Monterey Jack cheese, ranch, chicken cutlets, mayonnaise, and sriracha. Super basic, super easy. You guys should be able to follow along on this. We'll put the ingredients up there, and hopefully you can make some awesome, yummy food for yourself too. Let's rip this again. Just me and the puppy. Jana's waking up for a nap right now, so we won't be too loud. Chicken cutlets. Let's go. Let's get started, man. We got some carrots we need to peel and cut those up. Potatoes we need to slice. Spices we need to mix together. Let's make some food. I'm hungry. I'm so hungry right now. It's ridiculous. I'm starving. All right, so now we just need to chop up the potatoes. We're gonna go with some 1/2-inch wedges. Same with the carrots. We're gonna go like those diagonals that we did last time. But first, let's just go ahead and pop off the edges of these. I love reading all your guys' tips in the comments too. So if you ever have any advice or tips, maybe you're a little bit more experienced than me, don't be shy. All right? Don't be shy to let me know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, unsafe. Maybe there's a better way to do it, better technique. All about suggestions. I don't really know too much, except I enjoy doing this. So we'll take that. All right, carrots are rocking. Let's do these potatoes. Potato time. Boom. That's what we're going for. Easy. Cut them into 4s. So it'll be a little longer, but that's okay. We're not going for uniform pieces. We're going for good food. Guys, so now we just got to put a tablespoon, a little bit more than a tablespoon. We'll get a little buttery. Now we're gonna melt this down, so just stick it in the microwave, 30 seconds. Let's rock. While that butter's melting, let's toss these in here, and we're gonna coat them with salt, pepper, olive oil real quick. You can mix them, you can keep them separated. I don't really care if my hands touch my potatoes. Some of you guys might. Toss them all in, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Come on. All right, olive oil action. Ooh, I was a little scared right there. All right, these are rocking. Let's mix up the butter, panko, and the cheese. All right, so in this dish, we have melted butter, about a little over 1 tablespoon. We're gonna toss in our panko. I opened that all scuffed. We're gonna toss in our cheese. And then our ranch seasoning. Ranch seasoning, cheese, panko, butter. Simple. That smells really good. All right, we're gonna mix it. I was only supposed to use half of the ranch seasoning right there, so we took a little bit back, all right? We took a little bit back. Shh, don't tell anybody. I'm gonna mix this up right now. Just use a fork, super easy. Just getting all those flavors nice and mixed up together. The cheese, the panko, the butter. Butter, most important. We love butter. And then that ranch seasoning. Oh, this smells delicious. I wish you guys can smell this. All right, it's looking nice and mixed right there. I don't know if this step is on the cooking recipe, but gotta put step 420 in there. Let's get back to work. All right, so before I apply the seasoning and the panko, we gotta get this chicken dry, right? So it sticks to it a little better. We're gonna pat down this dry Super easy, but an important step. You don't want to skip this one. Make sure to clean your hands too when you're handling the chicken. Don't just go and start touching shit afterwards. Okay, that should be pretty good. So the rest of the seasoning was supposed to go into the potatoes and stuff, so I'm just gonna sprinkle it in there a little bit. Damn, those actually kind of look fire. Those are gonna be good. All right, let's rock. We're gonna go ahead and just keep going on this shot, and we're gonna apply our panko, butter, Monterey Jack cheese. So we're gonna toss that all on here and bam, let's start applying. You wanna just try to cover the entire surface area, pat down a little bit, super easy. Just make sure you have enough for both, because you don't want to have one that's completely crusted and your wife's like, this was really good crusted, you should have had one. Because if there's only one, she's getting it. I'm going to apply the rest of this on the actual baking sheet so that if I lose any in the transfer, it's at least on the sheet. A little cooking olive oil on the pan too, just to make sure the vegetables, the potatoes, carrots, those are good, but we want to make sure this chicken doesn't stick to the bottom or anything like that. And go ahead and try to pick it up. Let's place these cutlets on here and let's get it finished with the seasoning. I'm glad I stopped. I'm glad I stopped halfway through it. We were losing stuff, all right? Look at this, look at this, look at this. We were just losing stuff. Okay, back to applying this. Let's see if we can get it a little bit more covered. This one actually held pretty well. Okay, that's gonna be fire. That's gonna be so good. Can spread those out. Wow, the veggies actually looking fire with that ranch seasoning on it. Jesus, that looks delicious. And they're all oiled up, so they're gonna get nice and crispy. Let's get you a close-up shot, guys. I'm gonna wash my hands, close-up shot, and then toss it in the oven. It's ready to go. That's it. We're cooking now. Bam! Let's go, guys. All right, we got our chicken ready to rock, vegetables ready to go, and honestly, just a little bit of mess, dude. That's all we used right there. We used a bigger bowl, little bowl, a spoon. I did use a fork I already put in there, and that's it. So easy meal, easy preps. Let's cook it and eat it. Not me having to take it out of the oven while it's kind of warm and reshoot the shot. It's all good. All right, it's cooking. Sometimes, dude, I'd be just setting myself up right there. There's so much ice on it. What the hell? All right, we got most of that. Yo, cheers everybody, taking this dab with me. We're gonna rip a couple more dabs too. If you don't know, we stream almost every day on Twitch. We will have some YouTube streams coming up this year as well. Big cheers, let's sesh and eat some food together. I hope you guys start cooking along with us on these videos, man. Sesh along, cook along. Cheers. Woo! I don't know if you guys would believe it. That's my second dab all day. I'm filming this. It's like, what time is it? 6:11. I took one dab for the one dab review that was posted today. Filmed, edited, posted today. Shout out to Hash. Go. Second dab. I don't know what it is, man. I've been having like weird anxiety the past couple of days when I'm smoking weed. I don't know if it's a strain that I'm smoking or what, but my fucking mind, I hit the dab and I'm like, what's happening? So that's why I've been smoking a little less. That's why I honestly didn't stream yesterday, 2 days ago when you're watching this. It's just too much. It's too much, man. I took like 2 or 3 dabs on a stream the other day and I was just like, I'm like sweating. I don't know what it is. I think it might be a strain I got right now. We need to go get some new stuff. We need to go on a Hash shopping spree. Ooh, we need to do that. That's coming up soon. We'll go to OG Kush. Back to the food though right now. Like, subscribe, all that stuff if you enjoy the cooking vlogs, baby, because they're gonna keep coming even if you don't enjoy them, because I enjoy them. I'm having fun, so let's cook. Let's check how the chicken's doing. Oh, and everything else, but the chicken really, ooh. How do I get a close-up? Sketchy. Nah, I'm not going further than this. Oh wait, I can zoom. Oh, I'm so high, I forgot I could fucking zoom. Yo, I forgot there's zoom on cameras for a minute. That's crazy. Guess the fucking weed's working, but jeez, that smells so good. All right, let's get away from the heat. Okay, I think we are done. I know we're done because before I started filming this, I checked the temperature. I'm just gonna pull out raw chicken on the YouTube video. That's a little behind the scenes for you. Maybe these other YouTube cooking things ain't telling you, but I already checked and I know it's done. You guys wanna look at it? If you don't, what the hell? That looks a little burnt, ignore that. I don't know what that is. Close your eyes. But that looks amazing. Oh, I didn't make that noise. I don't know where that came from. That was magical. God, that looks, oh, hey, camera, don't look down. I'm trying to get a toe shot. All right, let's plate, let's eat. I forgot to do the sriracha mayo. Oh, damn. Here we go. Here we go. Squeeze. I don't know why people hate mayonnaise so much. It's literally eggs and oil. I don't know what it is that people just dislike so much about it. Tell me in the comments why you hate mayonnaise. I mean, I guess the look of it, it's kind of sus looking. It's kind of sus. Like, you know what I hate? Miracle Whip. That shit's nasty. It's like mayonnaise with sugar. That shit makes me want to puke. I don't even understand who eats that. This is the most adorable package in the world. You don't want your partner telling you that if they're looking at your dick for the first time. You don't want them saying that. The most adorable package they've ever seen. It's not a compliment. But this packet of sriracha, Jesus, it's damn cute. I want to have a bunch of these. You see this thing?
I actually saw those at Ralph's today, and they had individual lemon packets too.
Well, that's goddamn, seems very American.
Yeah, I was like...
Very American. Oh yeah, we're going a whole bag in there. Sriracha. All right, let's mix that up. I feel like I need a little lemon in here too. I don't know if I have any lemon, but definitely need a little bit. Nom. Bow! Just writing hashes here. Just bow, bow, bow.
Sounds really good.
I don't know why I'm recording this part. Hold on. All right, guys, it's time to plate it. We got, again, the chicken cutlets. Oh man, these came out perfect, baby. Oh man, they came out perfect. I'm loving those. I'm absolutely loving those. Oh. All right, then we got carrots and potatoes, man. Super simple, dude. That's how we like to do it. Super simple. Easy, filling, maybe some dessert. Maybe some ice cream, possible. Potatoes and carrots look absolutely delicious. If you would like a plate, let me know, because I'll make some more for you guys right now, if you're hungry. Just the last couple. Oh, Ted, no, you have your own food. Yo, I'm not looking, I swear I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. As soon as I turn the camera away, I'm not looking. What are you doing? What do we think? Oh, it's crunchy.
Crunchy. Good. It's up there with the one we had like pork chops recently.
Yeah.
Okay.
Last bite because this shit was good. What the hell was that? YouTube. Fell asleep last night. Couldn't finish the vlog. So we're gonna start the stream right now. Just spent the morning hanging out with Tadao and Jana, ate some breakfast. Now it's time to sesh with you. If you don't know, we live stream almost every day. Sometimes we take a day off. Links are in the description. Come hang out, we smoke hash, we're playing video games. In today's video, we're gonna be playing some Evil West. It's a fun game. It's a co-op story I've been playing with Hash, who's editing this video. It's also our lead mod in our Twitch streams. So make sure you tune in, come hang out, and then let's get this sesh rolling. Come on. I also just cleaned the rig to see if we can get in the sun. Shee. Shiny. All right, let's get this dab going, guys. Come on. I'm ready for a little dab sesh. We didn't end up streaming this morning, but we're going to stream tonight instead. So we're just going to take a couple dabs with you guys in this vlog. Yeah, we'll show you guys some more cool shit at the end of this. All right, torch. Let's go. All right, we're going to smoke a little bit more of this pistol whip right here. Stuff is... It's okay. I wish it wasn't fresh press. I wish it wasn't fresh. If it wasn't fresh, it would be so much more enjoyable. It would be just so much more fragrant. The nose would just be jumping at us. And here it just kind of smells like air. So I don't know. Looks phenomenal though. Let's get this dab. Hopefully we're not too cold. All right, we're almost there. See, fresh press is dangerous because right now it's just like it could just explode out the fucking jar. It looks like it wants to. Sounds like it wants to. It almost did. See that? It's just shattery. Cheers, y'all. Drop the strain that you're smoking right now while you're watching this video. Let's rip a few more dabs, guys. Dab number 2, baby. Actually, is this dab number 3 in the video? This might be dab number 3 in the video. It's day 2, so I don't really remember. I think I took a dab last night. I don't know. All right, this is cooling down. Put it on the temp. Bam. All right, well, that's cooling down. What up, y'all? How you guys doing, man? I appreciate you all watching, liking, commenting, all that good stuff. The channel, man, it's been going crazy the last couple of, weeks, man. We're getting thousands of views on videos, which is crazy, man. I remember when we were getting 100 views, 50 views, 10 views. So it's pretty amazing to see, the content. It's kind of all over, right? We got cooking stuff, we got reviews, we got vlogging, we got going out on walks, riding bikes, all kinds of stuff. And it's gonna keep going that way because I'm just gonna record stuff that I want to do, that I enjoy doing. If you enjoy watching it, keep watching. all right? Because the content's gonna continue to switch. It's never just gonna be, hey, we're a weed channel, we're only doing weed. It's just not me, man. I do a lot of other things. I'm trying to find new hobbies. The cooking thing is so much fun. Family time is gonna be big on here. This channel is not just a weed channel. This is a channel about my life and Jana's life. JIMTANNA, that's what it is. It's Jana and Tim. It's our life. So you're gonna see a lot of it. You're gonna see family stuff. You're gonna see cooking. You're gonna see cannabis. You're gonna see working out because I need to get my ass in shape, all right? So you're gonna see all kinds of stuff, man. I appreciate you guys watching. I think I missed the dab. No, it's perfect. Cheers, y'all. Cheers, y'all. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.